know kind of what the issue is now. I think this, I've never seen this before. This slave is absolutely cooked. Good morning. It's another beautiful, frigid day. If you would have seen the last clip, you would have seen, well, you have seen the last clip because I just showed it to you. Yeah, so the slave cylinder is cooked. That's very apparent. Can't say whether or not the master cylinder is also compromised. However, we're changing the clutch today. We're putting in a good used slave cylinder, and we'll be good to do some shooting in Tokyo tomorrow night. And then Saturday, we're going to replace the slave cylinder. I have a brand new one showing up tonight. And then we will be changing the seals on the clutch master cylinder. I have a seal kit for it. If the walls seem a bit compromised, then it should last Sunday's drift day, and then we'll just go ahead and order a new master cylinder. So, plan is to head to the workshop. I'm meeting up with Michael and Jack. They're going to assist me, so thank you, Michael and Jack, for helping me at the hobby shop. Got the car already on the lift, got some bolts already started, and just gonna start pulling everything apart, change the clutch, and then we will be good to go. Need to do some tires, clean the car, stuff like that. But yeah, heading to the workshop. Let's go. Shout out 09. Don't break. Okay. What is that? Sound like some horsepower. I bet you it's Zane. Oh, it's the other guy with the JZX110.
It's a red one.
Yeah, I forget his name. He just got that a little while ago. Happy duty. That. Yeah.
Sweet.
What's it look like from your side?
So, for me, it's done.
Does it look done?
For me, it's done.
We got another one.
Delivering a baby.
Yeah. Yeah, it's done.
Well, there's no
It's
copper
right
anymore.
there on the rivets.
There's also basically no copper anymore.
Yeah. It's pretty close to being done, yeah. You can see it was only barely grabbing on one part of the clutch until I got home.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, a lot of heat spots. It's just from me
Normal.
abusing the crap out of the clutch and chasing people and just, yeah, speeding up the clutch.
Not bad though.
No, it's not like it's shredded to pieces.
Yeah, still good.
Yeah. Cool. bearing's still good. All right, got the trans out here, and the clutch is just over here. You can see pretty much is like grabbing like barely into the clutch towards the end. It's pretty cooked. There's the pressure plate. So we've got all new pressure plate, flywheel, all that good stuff. So we're gonna take off the flywheel, actually off the engine, change the pilot bearing, and then we are gonna put the new clutch in. So. Yeah, we don't need your bread trick or your newspaper trick or any of that crap. There she goes.
Yeah, that's the good sound.
Oh yeah, that's the good feeling. Do we risk it? Do we change this?
Do you need to?
Dude, I don't know, man.
I mean, it doesn't leak.
I know, it's one of those things. It's like, damn if you do, damn if you don't, because it has like a nice little like spring around it.
Yeah.
That if you don't get it on nice and then you whack it in, and then that spring is somehow compromised, it'll just immediately start leaking. I'm gonna be changing the clutch again in a year, so.
Yeah, let's just not change it.
Yeah,
I don't think it's time yet.
if I didn't have commitments this weekend, I'd probably do it. We change this time, we'll change that next time. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Oh, come on. Don't break. Okay. Okay, so all of that in order. Now, this can go. Got the flywheel on, bolts are torqued, pilot bearings in, pressure plate bearing's been changed, or clutch release bearing's been changed. Can't even see it, but clutch disc is in, about to put the trans in, and then bolt everything up. All right, pretty much got everything done. Clutch is bled up, new slaves in there, new used slaves in there. That's bled up. Trans is full. Drive shaft's in. Last thing is just put the shifter in. We're gonna bring the car down. But that's clutch job done. Sweet.
Our next step.
Yep. Hopefully this one works. Came off of a working car. So we thought his slave cylinder was bad, but it was actually his master cylinder. So this one should be working. But I have a new one that's literally getting delivered tonight, which is kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is. So I don't actually remember how this went on. Where it was here, surely. Yeah, it was like.
Sweet.
Done.
Yeah, it's a copper one. Spicy.